What is up? What's going on, everybody? I hope everybody's having a great day. Let's talk about the market today, guys. The market has absolutely retraced over the second half of the day. Let's take a look at it. Let's talk about it. This market is giving people a chance, guys. It is giving people a chance to be able to come into this market and get some cryptocurrencies at a price that's reasonable, right? This market could have taken right off. It has come back, it's retraced just a little bit, but it's definitely giving you guys a chance. Let's go ahead. Let's get right into it. Let's get right after it. So as you guys can see, we're over here on Coin Market Cap. We're going to go ahead. We're going to take a look at some of these prices. We're going to look at where they're at. We're going to talk about kind of a retracement. We call this a retracement, but to me, it's really not a really big, huge retracement, but it's definitely enough of a retracement where people could take advantage of the market if they have cash on the side and they are ready to, guys. So as you guys can see, we have an overall market cap of $2.71 trillion, down about $6 trillion from where it was at yesterday. A Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index sitting at about 91, which is extremely greedy, guys. We've seen this thing up in the hundreds, but we're looking at it about 91 right now. Still very, very greedy. We've seen Bitcoin, guys. When we look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin was hovering right around that $73,000 mark um just yesterday. Let's go ahead and drill back on this on the 7 day so we can really see what we're talking about here. Um Bitcoin itself was hovering right around at 73, setting new all-time highs. Uh, you know, all day yesterday, basically, and the day before. It dropped down to 60, right around 68, 68, 9, and it's starting to come back up a little bit, but starting to hover right here between the 71,400 and $70,000 mark. So a bit of a retracement from that 73,000 we were looking at the other day. Ethereum, guys, I warned you guys about Ethereum and the Demku upgrade that came out and the buy the rumor, sell the news that could possibly happen with Ethereum. I think we're starting to see a little bit of that right now. Um, you see Ethereum sitting at $3,880 right now. Um, we drilled back again on that 7 day. We were looking at a high of Ethereum right around that 4,000 mark, touching, almost trying to touch that 4,100 mark. Look at this big sell off right here. Right, probably yesterday. We were looking probably at a Bitcoin. I mean, at an Ethereum right around 33,870, starting to work its way back up a little bit. Seems to like this $3,873 mark. Seems to be sitting quite comfortably in this pocket right now. So we'll see what happens with that. But definitely a retracement going on there. And you can see this story play out time and time again. BNB was up to $600 yesterday, starting to recover here on the hourly as the recording of this video, but definitely down on the day. Solana though, man, Solana's not suffering the same. Solana's not suffering the same outcome as everybody else, and this is kind of where it's going to get interesting, right? You got Solana sitting right around here, around $172.96, just changed from 173. But when we drill back on a 7 day here, you can see the same dip that occurred here with this flash sale with Solana, but definitely Solana starting to move back up a little bit quicker than Bitcoin and Ethereum, on a little bit quicker of a rise up. So definitely a buyer's market right now. We're gonna move on over here to the meme coins. We're gonna look and see what they're doing over the 24 hour, because you're going to see something here that I think everybody needs to take note to, and kind of where we are in this market cycle right now, right? You look at Dogecoin. over the past 24 hours, Dogecoin is up 5.2%, right? We look at Shiba Inu, it's up 0.8%, right? We look at Pepe, it's up 11.2%. So when we look at Dog with a Hat, watch out for Dog with a Hat and Pepe, guys. I'm telling you, it's up 18.4%, right? Floki, up another 2.6%. But look at where Floki's at on the week, 94% up. We look at Bonk, up 5.4%, right? So when we look at these meme coins, what we're starting to see is we're starting to see the money flow out of these Bitcoin and Ethereum and start to flow back into some more riskier assets in some of the higher end meme coins, right? The higher end meme coins. I mean, there's levels to these meme coins, right? So that you got the higher end meme coins, you start to see that money start to flow in there, which lets you know kind of that we're getting into profit taking season, and people are taking their profits out of Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, and they started to move them profits into the meme coins, right? The higher end meme coins, your Doges, your Shibs, your Pepes, your Dog with Hat, your Bonk. You start to see the market cap on them increase a little bit, not a ton, but a little bit. But you will see some profit movement taken on there. So that's what's really going on in this market right now, guys. People are taking their profits off of Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, some of the top blue chips here, and they're starting to put them in more speculative type of plays, right? So, in them higher end meme coins. So that's what's really going on. We're just starting to see a fluctuation of money. Is all that's starting to happen. People are starting to flip their money, doing a little bit of profit taking and a little bit of risk taking. So, with that being said, guys, now that we kind of know where the market is, we know what's going on in the market, we know where the market is, we know where the market's going, right? What's the best way to do this? What's the best way to play this thing? Well, the best way to play this thing is have your cryptocurrencies that you want to invest in, right? Your blue chip sectors, your blockchains, your gas tokens, and your meme coins, and some of all the blue chips that you want, plus all the higher end meme coins, and really have money on the side, really to start to get in and put more money into these plays as the market starts to come back down to you. Because what's going to happen is you see them starting to come out of the big blue chips, flow into the higher end meme coins. They're going to come back into the alts. That money is going to start flowing back into the altcoins. So right now, what you need to be looking at is the top altcoins that you have on your list, where that price is, and where you want to start buying up. So a little bit more, getting ready for that bull run. And then when the money starts to flow out of the altcoins, you want to start looking at them top end meme coins, because that's where the money's going to come from, and start to figure out, which ones of them you want to put money into, right? And you just rinse and repeat that for the whole cycle, right? Until the bull market really starts to take off and everything really starts to move. You're just rinsing and repeating it, what the market's doing. Whatever the market's doing, you're doing in reverse. You should be ahead of the market, so you should be doing that in reverse, right? So right now it's altcoin load up time. Pretty soon it'll be top tier meme coin load up time, and then it'll be back to altcoin load up time, and then top tier meme coin load up time. And then when we get into the bull market, you'll see all of this stuff start to take off a little bit. That's how I'm playing it. That's what I'm doing. You guys drop me a comment. Let me know what you're doing with this market. Also, give me a like, give me a share. If you like what you hear, give me a sub as well. But that's how I'm playing this market right now. And let me know what you think. And with that, everybody have a great day. Appreciate you. Catch you guys on the next one.